Okay, welcome back everyone to CodeLibrary.net. In the video that we learn about .NET video series, especially we learn about how to build web application in ASP.NET Core. ASP.NET Core is the platform for create and running web application by .NET framework, and it also use MVC technique to build fast web application. In .NET Core, it's running many core feature like entity framework core to build fast application. Like you can build fast scaffold growth operation fastly in the last video that I showed. Okay, in this video I review some program in C# is the advanced concept in C# program that also used in ASP.NET Core, and we call Async and Await program. So let's get started to learn what is Async and Await concept in C# program. Async and Await is used for long-running task system that we use this concept Async and Await to use many long-running tasks such as big data set and light data set for running and respond a light data set. So let's get started to see example how to run and working with Async and Await program concept. Let's get started to our ASP.NET Core project. And now I open my project in Visual Studio 2022 IDEs, because I can switch. I can work either Visual Studio or VS Code. Also, it's the best IDEs for running .NET application. So as you can see, the last video that we learned how to build fast root operation with scaffold technique in ASP.NET Core by follow only a few steps that we use entity framework core commands in ASP.NET or in .NET Core. You can build fast full root operation that generates controller that full of action method, edit, index, create, reads, and detail, and also delete. And it also creates a full view for that based on the class after we scaffold like create, delete, detail, edit, and index. So in this concept, we just confirm Async and Await program is useful for using in the concept of C# program that used in ASP.NET Core. So let's get to see where this code that we running via each methods. You can use Async when you methods or something that you want to work in method to work with long running tasks or like data set. And you can also create this method with Async keywords, because you want to create the method with Async, and then something that it responds with the Async always awaits. So Async and Await is a technique of program that is like a pair of when we create something like the action method in this controller with Async, and you always return it with awaits. Techniques of this concept Async and Await in this C# program, it's a high concept of C# program that you can find in code that you write code in working with ASP.NET Core, especially in action method that we use in action methods of controller in the ASP.NET Core project. And something that you want to apply is like that. When you create action method, you put async keyword before your action methods, and you put await keyword when you respond or returns of your function body of your action method body is you return await keywords. So that we call a technique that we use async and await. And this purpose is all of action method is always use async and await keyword, because we prevent when we identify our working of action method is we work in long running tasks such as a large scale data set or a big data set such as video data or stream data or data that we identify is working with like data set that we read and write to the server or files that we are working in this action method. So we will use async and await of this purpose. Okay, this is the purpose of using async and await program. Thank you for watching the video. I hope it will enjoy your learning, and please like and subscribe and share this video if you like. Thank you, and see you next videos.